Hello. Okay, it's working now. Great. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, my name is Withee. You can also call me Lukit, which is my Thai nickname. And today I'm going to talk about open source for democracy. But first, let me introduce where I come from. So, I'm from the organization called WeVis. We are civic technology company, so we use technology to enable citizen engagement, participation, and relationship between the people. I think what related to us today is the first 2 points because we did a lot about open data and also digital to development. Let me show you some example of our work. So first we have a Bangkok election 2 or 3 years ago. So we did a map of the result of the election on that time and show the data to anyone who interested in the election. Then we also have do another election database website that people can come and understand their representative and how to go to the election and a lot of useful stuff. We also focus on the Thailand national budget where you can explore how our government allocate the budget to each institute, to each organization, and also related to which keyword. And then I think this is our biggest project nowadays called Parliament Watch. So we do collect and display the data related to the parliament. For example, who are in the government, who are the political party, who are the representative, and what they are voting in the parliament, so you can track them and understand what's going on. I'm not sure if anyone see our work before in this room. Anyone see our work before? Oh, nice. Wow, that's great. And I came here today because every project we did is an open source first. We have a GitHub and every project is open source over there. At first, we think that is for the transparency because we do a lot of things about improve transparency in the political aspect, right? So we want to be transparent ourselves. But at some point, this is during the Bangkok election, someone just submitting the PR because we launched the project and it's go live. And it's quite getting a lot of attention. And someone just found a bug on the project that we're working on, and they just submit the PR. So from that time, we start to see the power of open source that is actually allow people to contribute, even though we didn't plan to do so. So after that, so we joined the Hacktoberfest. I think a lot of people know Hacktoberfest by GitHub. So it's an open source promoting campaign. Like people all around the world come up and contribute to open source. So we joined them with the Parliament Watch project 2 years already. We have over 30 issue closed, more than 30 contributions come to us. And even some proposed their PR that we are not planning, which is quite impressive for us. And then this is what I have learned after maintaining Hacktoberfest for 2 years. First is about we need to be efficient in asynchronous communication because everyone working on it on free time. So we need to be concise. We need to make a well documentation so that people can follow without not talking to us. And then it's our job to prioritize issue. So I have a hidden backlog because people just come and pick what they want to do. So it's our job to prioritize and making a group of issue that most important first. When they complete it, then we add a new one. So that would be a good trick. And then the last one, I think it's really important to me, is about maintaining life balance because I do this as a full time, but people who come to contribute us usually have their own full-time job during the day. So they come pick up maybe at midnight and they ask me question at midnight. So I need to balance myself as well. I feel like if there's something that I can answer and it help them unblock what they are doing, then I will do it straight away. But if something need to consume a lot of my time, then I will all right, okay, I will do it tomorrow during my work. So it's about balancing as well. So it's a tiring work, but totally it's worth it. So this is one of the best moments I have in my open source maintaining life. So some people just feel like they learn a lot from submitting our PR and they are so happy. So I want to look at the open source industry it's a win-win situation. People contribute to us and we also help them experience a new thing, learning a new thing, which I think is the best thing for open source. And it actually reminds me about concept that we are working. We're working a lot with the political issue, social issue, so it's a big thing. But open source community is about making our world a little bit better, one commit at a time. I hope that I can make people who come to contribute us feel about this as well. And I think that's all for my session. So we have a lot of our work on the WeVis Info QR code. You can check it out. And we also, Parliament Watch now, we are not doing on the Hacktoberfest alone anymore. So we keep opening issue throughout the year. And we have a lot of fun stuff this year as well. So if anyone interesting, just check our project. And because I have a short time, so if anyone have a question, just reach me after the speaker.
Unusually for Lightning Talk, we might be able to do Q&A now.
Oh, we have time?
We have a second speaker who doesn't seem to have appeared. Pitawat? On the similar topic, but does not seem to be here. So actually, we can do Q&A. While we're waiting, next speaker, are you here? Oh dear. Are there any questions?
All right.
on Thai democracy, I guess, while I find the schedule.
Okay, I didn't expect that. Well, let's see if anyone have any question.
No questions? Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you.